Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening a box for Cardfight Vanguard Omniscient Awakening. Not the latest set, just in case anyone is curious. I open what I have lying around usually. Sometimes that might be the latest set. But sometimes, like in this case, it's not. So, let's see. Great advertisement. Yeah. Great advertisement. If you care, you can look at it. I don't. And then, let's start. The packs are way too robust, by the way. But always have been. And in this one we get a Mega Barb Dragon and an Aegis Absorber. I'm not even sure if we care for the regular rares. I guess we don't really. But I will read them anyway, because that's what I do. We have a Reflective Dragon. Also, I will not try to get the holo effect on those, because, let's be honest, it's really not that great. And a Distorted Bane. And with not that great, it looks like a fake, I don't know, Yu-Gi-Oh card or something. Fake one. Next one, we have a Weaving Thoughts Together, Shenkul. And then a Stjerneborg Chimera for our double rare, the first one. On to the next one. I mean, some of the arts on the regular cards is also pretty cool. So, in the next one, we have a Bathybic Harpoon Dragon, and then I see the shiny. It's a Demonic Path Autocrat Vasago. I mean, even if the foiling of those is also the same, I will still try to show it. And it's of course a triple rare. Just had to double check that. Because it's been a while. On to the next one. And we have, not only shiny but also silver letters. It's Sound of Searching Brave Shooter. What's the rarity on this one? SR. Is it silver rare? It is indeed. Haha. Yeah, that's why the letters and the framing, a little bit of the framing is in silver too. And then we have a Fiend Beast Ushonimaru and a Roving Probe. On to the next one. And I guess I also I think they changed rarities distribution and stuff again since the last time I opened this, but that's fine. We have an Unsubsiding Life High Furio and a Groaning Bass Nebrelli. Double rare. On to the next one. With a Heaven Rising Dragon, Link Spear Dragon, and a Steam Burner Ami Ditana. And after this one, we're halfway done. Hooray! Or boo, depending what your feelings are. We have a Fengion and an Ablaze Chimera. And on to the left side we go. Let's see what we have here. We have very special treatment and almost unreadable letters from far away. It's a drag critter Badia. It looks very cool. It has a gold inlay around the frame. If I check sneakily on the pecs and sneakily on the card, it's a double frame there. That's what they're called now. Of course, as always, I will leave the important cards right away afterwards. We also have a Nova Grapple Permafrost and a Water Walker Nagil. And on to the next pack we go. And we have a Tide Trio and a Sequence Wizard triple rare. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we have. We have a Light Arrow of Alt Torah and a Headway Router Dragon. Triple rare. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. We get a Fairy of Prospecting, Roalua, and yeah, good luck reading that. A Flemme, Glam. Lots of abbreviations, Superior something probably, Grenadine, triple rare. I'm very sorry for everyone who's offended that I don't know the abbreviations. I guess they didn't quite fit on the card in full. On to the next pack. We have a Resplendent Bullet of Duststorm Lugnet and a Hypersonic Conversion Mech Fighter. Third to last pack. Guess we already had our triple frame rare, so it's not double frame rare. So it's not that exciting anymore, but we still get a Reflective Dragon double rare, which also looks cool, let's be honest. And then we have a Squish Compressor and an Abundant Yields Fruitfulness Dragon. Second to last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Veleno Famiglia Flawtree and a Knight of Shockbreak Louis-Doir double rare. And down to the last pack. Let's see what we get. Can already see some shinies. We get a Galactic Bee Hero, Icy Tychos double rare, and followed by another one, Drag Ritter Garnim. And that's it. And that's the box. So thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I shall be seeing you in the next one.